Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coin and welcome to another coin review. This is a £5 coin. As you can see on the obverse here, we have a portrait of Charles III and the date of 2023. Now, a couple of weeks back I did a coin about the Welsh Dragon and how it was a coin that you could only get if you visited the Royal Mint. It wasn't available on the website, and it's not available generally unless you go to the Royal Mint at Camtasia, either to go into the shop or to go do what is termed the Royal Mint experience, which is where you go around and you look at all the different areas that make up the Royal Mint. And this is another one of those coins. Now, normally there's only one released a year, but this year there's been a second coin, and that second coin, if I can just come out a bit, is the Northern Ireland coin. So here you've got From Glen to Glen, which is a story about the different areas of Northern Ireland. You then have about the designs, about how the design came into being. It is a Celtic knot, as you can see, a Celtic knot cross. Then on this one here, we have the patron saint of Ireland, St. Patrick. Yeah. We then got the experience of the coin like never before. So this is a bit about the coin. Finally, we have the original maker, a little bit of information about that, and then the Celtic cross at the end along with the coin specs. Now, on any of these, please pause on each page and have a read about the information, because I'm not going to be giving you that information here. So we've seen the £5 coin, the obverse, and this is the reverse. Let me just come down a bit, and this is a simple design coin, but it looks so effective. You've got the £5 on either side of the cross on the bottom. You have the cross itself, and you have the silver background, or the very bright silver background, and then you have this area here of which the cross is made up, which is very much a silvery type background, but it's like an opaque type design. It is beautiful. I've not seen anything quite like this in quite a while. I thought the Welsh Dragon one was good, but this is equally as good, if not better, in some respects, in the way that it's presented. I do very much like this coin. We have, as I say, you can only pick this up if you visit the Royal Mint. I'm wondering whether they will be doing a thistle for Scotland and either the Three Lions or the Oak Tree for England. Will they do them this year, or will they do 2 this year and then 2 next year? I don't know. But you cannot, and I must stress this, you cannot get these coins from the Royal Mint website. You have to go and to Camtasia themselves, the actual Royal Mint, to buy them at the Royal Mint shop. It's a crying shame, and there's been 2 or 3 coins that have been specifically minted for people going on the Royal Mint experience, and there's 2 of them this year. As I say, we've seen the Welsh Dragon earlier on, I showed you that, and this is now the Celtic cross from Northern Ireland. And as I say, both of them were stunning coins. I can't believe that they can't produce things like this all the time. It's fantastic, and I love them. So as you can see, I've possibly been a bit OTT, a bit over the top, but I do like these coins. And what do you think? Do you think these coins are as good as I said I think they are? Tell me your comments below. Would you like to get this? Would you like to be able to get it from the Royal Mint? have a little moan down below if you would love to see these coins on their site so you can buy them. Because you can only get them, as I say, if you go to the Royal Mint Experience or you go to their shop, they are limited in the number of release. I'm not sure what the limit on them are. They're a proof quality, which is not surprising if you look at the actual quality of the coin. They are proof-like. It's been taken from the Celtic Cross. There is taken from the £1, that was the round £1 version. The designer of the obverse for the Charles III portrait is Martin Jennings, and the reverse designer is Norman Silman, and it's proof quality. As I said, I find these two coins that I've seen this year, they're only available at the Mint shop, absolutely stunning. I'm so grateful to Bow Selector for getting them for me. So if you get the opportunity, go and have a look at Bow's website, and if you leave a comment, say that I sent you along there. So Bow, thank you. So in closing, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am again trying to, as always, increase my subscription level. So if you've enjoyed this particular video, can you please give me the thumbs up? And if you haven't yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, could you please do so? Because I'd love to have you along during the rest of my videos on coin collecting, banknotes, collectibles and militaria. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Thank you. Ta-ra now.